Hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to register for the Hack Oktoberfest 2021. For this, first you need to go to the website, that is hacktoberfest.digitalocean.com. Then after that click on start hacking. Then you have two options, like you have the first option is to sign up with GitHub and the second option is to sign up with GitLab. So it depends on from where you are signing in. So for me, I will sign in through the GitHub. Now it will go to a GitHub account and ask the permission for the authorization, and you have to click on authorize Hacktoberfest, and then it will redirect to the page. Now you are going to add some basic information about you. So like here I am going to select my email address, my location, that is India, and what you are like, in which way you are going to participate in the Hack Oktoberfest 2021. So it has three options, like the participants, maintainer and event organizer. Participants are those who are going to contribute to other open source projects. Maintainer are those who are managing and maintaining the open source project for the contributors, and event organization are those who are organizing events during the Hack Oktoberfest. So you can click any of this, like whatever you are required. Like if you are participant, you can click on participant. If you are maintainer, then you can click on maintainer, and if you are event organizer, then you can click on event organization. I have selected 3 because I am contributing to all these 3. Now we have to agree the terms and conditions. So these are all regarding the updates related Hacktoberfest community and products from the Hacktoberfest. Then we have to opt in everything. Now make sure to read the rules and values over here. So you can go directly to this page and read the rules and values that is regarding the Hacktoberfest 2021. There are little changes in the Hacktoberfest 2021, so make sure to read the whole thing. It is not a very big thing to do. Little thing is there and you can read it within 5 minutes. Then after reading, click on that I have read and understand the rules and values of Hacktoberfest 2021. Then click on next. Now you are good to go. So once you have done with all these things, like the reader reads the values, quality standards, and learn how to reduce spam and familiarize with the rules, please make sure that you go through all these things, because it is very important before starting the Hacktoberfest 2021 and before contributing. And after going through all these things, now you have to acknowledge everything that you have read, everything, and you are acknowledging about that. So make sure to read this also. That is, first one is regarding the open source quality contribution. Second is the disqualification regarding the disqualification. If a person has more than or minimum 2 invalid pull requests. Now click on start hacking, and after clicking on start hacking, your profile is ready to go. Now you can see your total number of pull requests and total number of progress in this here, and we have 4 pull requests minimum you need to complete the Hacktoberfest challenge. So I hope you got the main point, like how to get started with and how to sign up with Hacktoberfest. All the best for the Hacktoberfest. Thank you so much.